use long multiplication to calculate 125 times 7. So we're going to write it like this. 125 times 7. So first of all, 7 times 5. Just going to make a note here. Equals 35, right? And remember that we take this number 5 and write it here. This number 3, we remember we can write it here 3, just so that we remember it. Next step, 7 times 2. Just make notes here so we can see all the calculations. Equals 14. 14, but now we have to add this number 3. Okay, so we have 14 plus 3 equals 17. So we write down 7 and remember the 1. Next step, 7 times 1 equals 7. And we have to add this number 1. 7 plus 1 equals 8. And write 8 here. Okay? So now I showed you every step. If we're just gonna do it one more time without writing all this. Okay, one more time. First of all, 7 times 5 equals 35. Write down the 5 here. Just make it a note here so we remember 3. 7 times 2 equals 14 plus 3 equals 17. Write down the 7 and make a note of the 1 here. Last step, 7 times 1 plus 1 equals 8. If you want to make a note like this every time, it's optional. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But it's a good thing so you remember. Okay. And assignment B, it's 217 times 63. Oops, that was not very good. So, start first with 3 times 7, 21. Remember the 2. 3 times 1 plus 2 is 5. 3 times 2 equal 6. Since we have a 2-digit number here, it's going to be like this. We started first with the 3, right? Now we're going to start with the digit 6. But we're going to start at this position. So I'm going to leave this empty and we just write a 0 here. Okay? So now we're going to start here. 6 times 7 equal 42. Write down the 2. Write down 4 here, so we remember 6 times 1 equals 6, plus 4 is 10. Write down 0 and remember the 1. 6 times 2 equals 12, plus 1 equals 13. And then we have to add these two. 651 and 13,020. 1 plus 0, 1. 5 plus 2, 7. 6 plus 0, 6. And we just write these out. So the answer would be 13,671.